Hi, good evening. In my last video, I had ended the topic with trans fatty acids. Now, trans fatty acid is a major problem in India today, especially so because it is related to heart disease. And in bakery fats, generally, there is a lot of trans fatty acid issues. So, what is the FSSI regulation? FSSI says max 2% TFA, that is trans fatty acid, should be there. Where is this trans fatty acid coming from? So we say oil is liquid at room temperature and fat is solid at room temperature. But room temperature in India is a varied thing. So room temperature can be, let's say, plus 20 to plus 45 during summers from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Trans fatty acids are also generated in refined oils. So the majority oils that we find in the store today is a refined oil. So the basic objective of refining are two: remove impurities and to lighten the color. Refining, these are the two objectives, and this is done at a temperature of, let's say, 260 degrees centigrade. At this high temperature, trans fatty acid is produced up to 0.8%. So that means in refined oil also you have got trans fatty acids. Point to note, in a dairy fat, that is dairy fat which is in the cow's buffalo stomach, they also have trans. Let's say around 0.2 to 0.3 would be the trans there also. Now, the majority of trans that comes is from a process called hydrogenation. So what is hydrogenation? So hydrogenation is when you converting oil to solid. So that means through high temperature, so that means temperature, there is an additive used, and hence you convert this liquid oil into a solid fat. This is the process through which we generate trans from 4 to around 6%. Why are this necessary? In a tropical country like India, especially when you are using an application such as laminated puff pastry shortening or puff pastry margarine or khari shortening that you call it, or let's say premium cookie fats, or maybe creaming fats, you need hydrogenated fat among one of the different oil and fat combinations used in making these blends. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how we are going to formulate different blends as per the requirement, and how much of trans can be given to give that proper application. Thank you so much.